Dear students, let us learn about finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers. First, look at the number line. Here, 0 is the origin of the number line, and on the right side we have positive numbers, and on the left side we have negative numbers. Now, answer these questions. How many natural numbers are there between 1 and 3? How many natural numbers are there between 1 and 3? We can say definitely there is only one, that is 2. There is only one natural number and it is 2. How many integers are there between 1 and minus 3? Look at the number line. How many integers are there between 1 and minus 3? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 and they are 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Now how many integers are there between 0 and minus 1? Is there any integers between 0 and minus 1? Minus 1 is the preceding integer of 0. So there are no integers between 0 and minus 1. How many integers are there between minus 5 and plus 5? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 and they are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, how many integers are there between minus 1 and 1? There is only one and it is 0. Now, let us find rational numbers between 1 by 7 and 5 by 7. We can say definite number of integers between two integers. Now let us find rational numbers between two rational numbers. 1 by 7 and 5 by 7 here. Five by 7. Rational numbers between 1 by 7 and 5 by 7 are, look at the numerator. Here it is 1. So next number is 2. So 2 by 7 lies between 1 by 7 and 5 by 7. Next number is 3. So 3 by 7. Denominator is same. So 3 by 7. Next 4 by 7. We can write 3 integers between 1 by 7 and 5 by 7. They are 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Look at the numerator. Write numbers between 1 and 5. Then denominators are same. Now you know about equivalent fractions. So 1 by 7, if I multiply both numerator and denominator by 10, that becomes 10 by 70. If I multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 of the second rational number, it becomes 50 by 70. So 10 by 70 also equal to 1 by 7. 50 by 70 is also equal to 5 by 7. So now rational numbers between 1 by 7 and 5 by 7 are, see there we have 10 by 70 and 50 by 70. Write numbers between 10 and 50 in the numerator. 11 by 70, 12 by 70, 13 by 70, 14 by 70, and you can write till 49 by 70. So there are 39 rational numbers between 10 by 70 and 50 by 70. That is equal to 1 by 7 and 5 by 7. Now, if I multiply both numerator and denominator by 1000, that becomes 1000 by 7000, 5 by 7. If I multiply both numerator and denominator by 1000 to write the equivalent fraction, that becomes 5000 by 7000. Now you can write rational numbers between 1 by 7 and 5 by 7. Look at the numerator, 1000 it is, so next number is 1001 by 7000. 1002 by 7000. And you can write till 4999 by 7000. Now, find rational numbers between 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are rational numbers because we can write 1 as 1 by 1. It is in the form P by Q. We can write 3 as 3 by 1. So 1 and 3 are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. Now, can we write a rational number between 1 by 1 and 3 by 1? We can write 2 by 1. So, I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So that becomes 100 by 100. 100 by 100 is also equal to 1. So there is no difference in writing 100 by 100 and 1. So 3 is equal to, we can write it as 300 by 100. So now we can write rational numbers between 1 and 3. They are 101 by 100, 102 by 100, 151 by 100. You can write any number between 100 and 300 in the numerator, and the denominator is 100, and so on. You can write till 299 in the numerator by 100. Now find rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. Here denominators are same, so you can multiply by same number for both the rational numbers. You have to make the denominators equal in both the rational numbers. If I multiply by 10, okay, 100, numerator also you have to multiply by 100. In the previous rational number, denominator will become 500. So for this rational number also you have to multiply by 100 to make the denominators equal. So 1 by 5 becomes 100 by 500. 3 by 5 becomes 300 by 500. So 1 by 5 it is equal to 100 by 500. 3 by 5 equal to 300 by 500. Now we can write so many rational numbers between 100 by 500 and 300 by 500. So let us write 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. They are 101 by 500, 107 by 500. You can write any number between 100 and 300. 200 by 500, 220 by 500, 249 by 500. You can write any number. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 5 by 3. See here, denominators are different. In the previous examples, we had equal denominators. In this, we have different denominators. In that case, you have to take the LCM of denominator and make them equal. 3 ones are 5 ones are. So LCM is equal to 3 into 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 3 into 5, that is 15. So now make the denominators equal. You have to multiply 5 by 3 and here 3 by 5. What the number you are multiplying to the denominator, multiply it to the numerator also. Multiply denominator and numerator by the same number. So 3 by 15, 25 by 15. Here we have to write only 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. If you are not getting enough numbers, if you multiply by 3 and 5, then you can multiply by 30 for the first rational number. Second rational number you can multiply by 50. Or you can multiply first rational number by 300, second rational number by 500. So now 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 5 by 3 are 4 by 15, 7 by 15, 10 by 15, 13 by 15, 24 by 15. And you can write so many rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 5 by 3. If you want more, you can multiply by larger number. So there are infinitely many rational numbers between any given two rational numbers. How many rational numbers are there between two rational numbers? There are infinitely many rational numbers between any given two rational numbers. There is no definite answer.